Hi, my name is Yana. I am a partner and family lawyer with Stokes Law LLP. I am also a family mediator with Stokes Law Mediation. Today I want to talk to you about what to expect when you go to mediation, particularly family mediation. So most people have no idea what they're getting into when they attend family mediation for the first time, right? Most people only get divorced or separated once, hopefully, in their lifetime, if at all. And so I want to really reiterate to you that the purpose of mediation is to help craft and drive a resolution that you and your ex-spouse or ex-common law partner are able to live with. Something that you both have had input on, where you've had the opportunity to express your views, your interests, and you've helped come up with solutions. You've been at a table, you've sat down, you've brainstormed the different problems and the solutions, and we've come to an agreement on something that works for your family. Because what works for one family might not work for the next family. And so when you come to mediation, especially with Stokes Law Mediation, there's two options. You can do virtual mediation or in-person mediation. With today's technology, there's no negative impact for choosing virtual mediation. You can attend mediation from anywhere in the world, the comfort of your own home. You don't have to stress about finding parking and paying for parking or the weather or who's gonna, let the dog in and out. So I do like giving my clients the option of virtual mediation. I find that people are more relaxed and more comfortable and willing to open up when they're in an environment that they're used to. So that's nice. You're not stuck in a, stuffy boardroom that you've never been in before. The nice thing too is with mediation is we can take breaks whenever. And I will never say no to my clients who are asking for a break. If you need a break, we take 10 minutes, 5 minutes. You can go outside, you can call your mom, you can take the dog out, get a drink, get some coffee, do whatever you need to do. And then we always come back in. So I do think that the virtual aspect with being in your own home, it is something that's comforting for a lot of my mediation clients. So when you come to mediation, we choose virtual or in person. All right, then mediation is a confidential, without prejudice environment. So nothing that is said at mediation or any of the brainstorming ideas we come up with can be used against you later on down the road. And when I say later on down the road, I mean if this matter was to end up in court, you can't say, well, at mediation, Sally said X, Y, and Z, and she was going to offer me $1 million, right? No. So what happens at mediation is kind of like a cone, a nice blanketed cone of silence. We deal with our ideas and our brainstorming attempts at mediation, and if we reach a resolution, that's when it becomes binding. And so for me as a mediator, I can draft a memorandum of understanding incorporating all of the agreed upon terms, or I can draft a separation agreement if that's what you and the other party ask me to do, which will make the agreement at least papered and something that you can then take to your individual lawyers for independent legal advice. So that's the without prejudice beauty of mediation, okay? Now, the other thing about mediation, and particularly mediation with me, is I'm gonna ask both parties to remain very respectful throughout the process, right? No F-bombs, let's take turns speaking, let's not speak over each other. And a large reason that I do that is because I understand that with the breakdown of a relationship or the breakdown of a marriage, tensions and emotions are running high, okay? But in order for us to make a level-headed decision and really come to the table to work through the actual problems and issues before us, I want us to kind of remove some of that negative emotion and just see the problems plainly in front of us, right? And with family law, you can break the problems down into usually, 4 types. We have parenting issues, child support issues, spousal support issues, or property division issues. And once we identify the problems, we can create an agenda at mediation, and I'll help you. I will guide you through each of the issues, and we'll work our way through. And hopefully within, whether it's a half a day session, a full day session, hopefully we make a lot of progress. And if we need to, we book another session, we book some more time, and I can always have another call with you and the other party, and we can keep working through the issues to make sure that we resolve our matters without the need for litigation. So that's generally what to expect at mediation. It will be virtual or in person. I will help you come up with a resolution that you can both live with by guiding you through our agenda items. And as a family lawyer, I do understand which issues we need to address and how we can best address them. So I will also propose ideas and help you both brainstorm and see if there's room for meeting in the middle and, getting to yes, as they say. So there you go. That's what to expect at mediation. And if you're looking for a family mediator, please reach out. Thanks.